The LG E20 user here, and today I'm going to be videoing the Alcatel INSIGHT with the wireless system wireless system angle for the smartphones, which is really cool. The Alcatel INSIGHT is available for $39.99, so this is a budget phone. As I said, this thing is a very smartphone. So yeah, so here it is. There's a phone right there. You can just have power and bank is on the right side of the phone now. This is the left side, and you don't have anything on the left side. Kind of like blue two-tone color there. Interesting there. And then on the back of that, on the back of the inside you got camera flash, Alcatel logo, and then speaker on the back. Got some gravel and gray there, alright? So it says here, with a quad-core processor, 2200 mAh battery, and 4G LTE speeds, the Alcatel INSIGHT offers you the best experience. The Alcatel INSIGHT offers you the best essential smartphone experience. The 5-inch display enclosed in a compact design with beautiful soft suede finish. Fits great in the hand. 5-megapixel rear and 2-megapixel front cameras allow you to capture your memories and take quick, clear photos anytime. INSIGHT offers an optimized and streamlined Android experience that gives you 2 times more storage, so those who want value without all the bells and whistles have enough space for your files, plus improve performance. Expand your reach with Wi-Fi calling so you can send and receive calls and messages in areas that have limited coverage. So this one has Wi-Fi calling on, so that's really cool. So yeah, this is an Android Go smartphone, Android High Go edition. So the specs in there are not that great. Like I said, this is a light version of Android. So you get an Android Pie Go edition there. So the Alcatel INSIGHT has a 5-inch 4-view display with TCLT technology. So that's pretty nice. Beautiful soft suede finish in dragon tail glass for added screen protection. 5-megapixel rear camera with LED flash and a 2-megapixel front camera screen flash. That is nice there. And you have a power efficient 2200 mAh battery, battery saving mode, optimized with Android and Pie Go edition, like I said before. So the specs in here are not that great. The screen file mode is nothing for the screen file is nothing 480p screen. So yeah, it is what it is. Premium design, the premium soft suede finish gives us fingerprints and feels ready to hold. Plus with strong and durable dragon tail glass, the Alcatel INSIGHT can withstand rubs, scrapes, and scratches. Vibrant 4-view display. Enjoy texting, browsing, and watching videos on the crisp 5-inch 18:9 display, which maximizes on-screen content and minimizes borders for a comfortable viewing experience that easily fits in your pocket. Capture life's best moments. The Alcatel INSIGHT makes it easy to capture the best of any moment with features like time-lapse and panorama mode, plus built-in filters and Google Photos allow you to create fun photos that stand out. So that's really cool. Especially with phone, like I said, it's not the greatest because this is an Android Go smartphone. It's not meant to have like high-end specs or stuff like that. So you have Android Pie Go edition. So keep in mind you have Android Pie Go edition. The dimensions are on the Alcatel INSIGHT. It's 5.37 inches height, 2.56 inches width, and 0.39 inches depth. It's a 5-inch LCD display. Like I said, it's probably a 480p display. You have 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and a Mercury USB charging. So that's that. Your rear camera is 5 megapixels with flash and full HD videos, and you have a 2 megapixel front-facing camera with HD videos. So that's pretty nice. And your 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, 2200 mAh battery, 16 gigabytes of internal storage, I'll say about 1 gigabyte of RAM, and you have a micro SD card slot up to 32 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion. Accessories for this Alcatel INSIGHT. Y'all guys can get screen protectors for this phone and stuff like that, and accessories. If you guys want to get accessories to the screen, y'all guys can try Amazon if they have any accessories for the Alcatel INSIGHT. Cause y'all guys can get accessories cheaper than what Cricket has with here. So do you guys have the Alcatel INSIGHT is not available at Cricket Wireless for $79.99. This is the Android Go smartphone, so you keep that in mind. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are listening out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.